The reticulated python, Python reticulatus, holds the title for the longest snake in the world. These snakes can grow over 20 feet, 6.1 meters, in length, with some individuals reported to reach up to 30 feet, 9.1 meters. These snakes have cool, colorful patterns on their skin that look like a fancy design. This helps them hide in the wild. Reticulated pythons live in Southeast Asia, in countries like Thailand, Indonesia, and the Philippines. They love places like rainforests, swamps, and grasslands. They often stay near rivers and lakes because they like water. These big snakes eat animals like birds and mammals. Sometimes they can even eat animals as big as deer and pigs. A mother reticulated python lays eggs. She can lay up to 80 eggs at a time,